Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you reset your AirPods Pro so they cannot be tracked anymore. So guys, if you get your AirPods from your friend or somebody else and they are registered to his name on his device, you will have to simply reset your AirPods Pro so they cannot be tracked anymore on someone's device, and you will be able to register them on your device and you can change the ownership of your AirPods. So this is very simple. You will have to simply close the box of your AirPods and then open it again, and here you see a button in the back side on your AirPods. You will have to simply press this button for 30 seconds, and after this your AirPod will be reset to factory setting and they will be no more tracked from somebody else or somebody else's device. So guys, press this button for 30 seconds and after this your AirPods will reset to factory settings and you will be able to register them on your device, and you can change the ownership of your AirPods to your name. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.